Howdy, we're doing a KeelEazy full-length kit today. Comes in a package. It's got the instructions right on the inside. So we've got an alcohol wipe. Again, this is 91%, I believe, and twice as good as the stuff you buy at the grocery store. This is to protect my hand from the heat of the heat gun. You can use a hairdryer as well, about 500 watts will do. The squeegee to get a nice good fit. We got an X-Acto knife in case we have to cut something out like where the skeg is. Of course, we have scissors as well. Okay, so first things first, got to clean the boat. Start this about 4 inches down from the peak and just roll it out with the paper. Wear these leather gloves so I can feel the heat. If I start to burn my hand, I know I'm putting too much heat on it. And if you burn the material, you're done. It won't work. When I get the sides going, I push down from the top, the very apex here with my thumb. And that lays the material down quite nicely.